Pretty sure we're gonna do that. So if we don't die, we have our video tribute to watch, and over and out. Are we going, or are we waiting at the yellow line? Come on. Fucking do it! Should we both sit in the back, or? Tom check. Are we loud and clear? How are you back there?
I'm snug. How are you?
I'm excellent. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes!
Orlando!
Literally, any other one I would not want to have done, but we went down to downtown Orlando, and
awesome.
it was sick. It was
So
sick.
awesome.
We saw my condo, we saw Lake Eola, where I obviously walk Big Daddy Duke every day. So now we're gonna spin out, see?